Hi, friends, welcome to my channel Easy Study Academy 5555. Today's topic is simple and short conversation in daily life. In this video, you will learn some short and simple sentences for everyday use.
Who will help me tomorrow?
Your friend will help you.
Who will call you later?
My brother will.
Who will win the match?
Our team will win the match.
Who will teach the new class?
Mr. Smith will teach the new class.
Who will travel to Paris next month?
My parents will.
Who will bring the cake?
John will bring the cake.
Who will fix the car?
A mechanic will fix the car.
Who will lead the project?
Sarah will lead the project.
Who will play the guitar at concert?
Mike will play the guitar at concert.
Who will cook dinner tonight?
My mom will cook dinner tonight.
Who will answer the phone?
I will answer the phone.
Who will clean the house?
We will clean the house.
Who will attend the meeting?
The manager will.
Who will organize the event?
A professional team will organize the event.
Who will buy the tickets?
Lisa will buy the tickets.
Who will drive us to the airport?
Dad will drive us to the airport.
Who will help with the decorations?
My friends will help with the decorations.
Who will take care of the baby?
The babysitter will take care of the baby.
Who will make the announcement?
The CEO will make the announcement.
Who will invite the guests?
The host will invite the guests.
Who will check the emails?
The secretary will check the emails.
Who will start the presentation?
Jake will start the presentation.
Who will send the package?
The courier will send the package.
Who will wash the dishes?
I will wash the dishes.
Who will open the store?
The owner will open the store.
What will you do tomorrow?
I will study.
What will he eat for lunch?
He will eat pasta.
What will they wear to the party?
They will wear formal clothes.
What will she buy at the mall?
She will buy shoes.
What will happen next?
We will find out.
What will make you happy?
A vacation will.
What will he say about the news?
He will be surprised.
What will be the result of the test?
It will be positive.
What will they watch on TV?
A new movie.
What will you learn next year?
French.
What will be his reaction?
He will laugh.
What will change in the future?
Technology will improve.
What will she cook for dinner?
Chicken curry.
What will the weather be like?
It will be sunny.
What will the company announce?
A new product.
What will you wear tomorrow?
A red dress.
What will they discuss at the meeting?
Business strategies.
What will we do on the weekend?
Go hiking.
What will your next book be about?
Adventure.
What will she name her baby?
Emma.
What will you bring to the picnic?
Sandwiches.
Where will you go next summer?
To France.
Where will you go next summer?
At Harvard.
Where will they celebrate New Year?
In New York.
Where will the concert be held?
At the stadium.
Where will you meet me?
At the cafe.
Where will you go?
I will go abroad.
Where will she stay?
She will stay here.
Where will they work?
They will work downtown.
Where will he live?
He will live there.
Where will we meet?
We will meet outside.
Which dress will you wear?
The red dress will.
Which car will he buy?
The blue car will.
Which team will play?
Our team will play.
Which book will sell?
That book will sell.
Which movie will release?
A new movie will.
Which dress will you wear?
The red one.
Which movie will they watch?
The new action film.
Which car will he buy?
A Tesla.
Which book will you read?
A mystery novel.
Which subject will you choose?
Mathematics.
Whom will she invite?
Her best friend.
Whom will you call first?
My mom.
Whom will they choose as leader?
The most experienced one.
Whom will he meet in the evening?
His boss.
Whom will she ask for help?
Her teacher.
Whom will she call?
She will call me.
Whom will they invite?
They will invite Tom.
Whom will he trust?
He will trust you.
Whom will you help?
I will help her.
Whom will John choose?
John will choose Mike.
Whose bag will you take?
Mine.
Whose idea will they accept?
The best one.
Whose dog will bark the loudest?
Tom's dog.
Whose phone will ring?
Probably mine.
Whose house will they visit?
Their uncle's.
Whose car will break?
Tom's car will break.
Whose house will sell?
My house will sell.
Whose dog will bark?
The big dog will.
Whose pen will work?
Your pen will work.
Whose bike will win?
His bike will win.
Keep watching this video every day for 1 week and repeat the exercises to see significant improvements in your English skills. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful content. Happy learning!